Okay, this is bad. Potentially bad. Standing up. It's standing up. When we started coming in, it sounded like an explosion. Yeah, man.
Oh my god. Yeah, look at this. Look at it. It's just sitting there. Look at that.
What? Holy smokes, man. It's kind of amazing that this window of opportunity is open for life to go beyond Earth. And we just don't know how long that window is going to be open. But the thing that gets me most fired up is that creating a self-sustaining civilization on Mars, it would be the greatest adventure ever in human history. It would be so exciting to wake up in the morning and think that that's what's happening.